Hi, welcome to MarginDesk Tutorials. This video will show you how to set up a product linked to one or more cost items or cost of goods sold items, whether they be fixed or recurring costs. If you've not set up some cost items, then be sure to visit our tutorials page and watch the costs, how to set up, import, and export cost items. In this video, we're going to set up a basic product where you buy a product a certain amount, sell it. It could be that you're building this product or you're buying it and reselling it. Either way, it's a simple product, and typically these are one-time cost items. In the next video, we'll show how to set up a more complex one. After logging in, you can go to the Configure Costs, Vendors, Products, and Pricing. This control panel lets you set up all kinds of things like your vendors, your costs, or cost of goods sold, product packages, and products. Let's go ahead and set up this product now. So I've set up a few basic items, including an SKU, a unit type, which is a doorbell. The unit type can be anything you want it to be that's descriptive of what it is per unit. In this case, we're going to buy and resell 2,000 doorbells, or this could be us building 2,000 doorbells. We'll keep it simple for now. We're going to make this a fixed price item. You're going to sell this component for a specific price, and it's not going to have any kind of recurring price to the customer. You see where I have my 2,000 doorbells where we are going to resell these 2,000. Here we have a doorbell, video doorbell that we're going to use for this, and I will select that item. We have purchased 2,000 of these units, and we're going to sell 2,000 of these units for a specific price. The focus here is to understand what your unit margins are and to set a good price after discount. So speaking of discounting, if you're selling anything at a discount for incentives or other purposes, you need to include that here. So I'll put in a 15% discount as a maximum amount of discounting that we would do at any given time. We can also include distributor discounts and reseller discounts. There's a different video on how to set up resellers and distributors, so I'll skip this part. Understand your optimal price at your target margin. So this company has a 90% target margin, and we have thresholds set up at 65% and 80% to understand whenever you're going to price something too low. The theory here is that we're going to sell everything at or above our target margin, and therefore our company is going to have a margin or gross margin of above 90%. So if I put in this $189 per unit, you'll see that I'm arriving at very close to this margin. This optimal price gives you a pre-discount price such that if you were to sell it without any discounting, you would have about a 93.4% margin. But if you incorporate the typical discounts that happen on this product, you arrive at a 90% margin. You can also include things like your volume discounting. So let's say that if you buy more than 10 video doorbells up to, let's say, 100, you can have let's say another 5% discount. Okay, and when you do this, you'll see it right up here that it gets factored in automatically into your total discounting strategy. And look at what it did to the after discount margin. So now we have a new recommended pre-discount price of $204.92. We'll put that into the field, and now I have again my 90% target margin. This is how to set up a basic product. Down here I see my echelons for various discounting, which includes your pricing and margins, and this starts to turn yellow and red at higher and higher margins as you start to add more echelons. And I will hit save, and now we have a product that is ready to be used in your deals.